Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is June the 13th, 2022, and we're going to be looking at the Yardlong bean. Because we planted these in earlier on this year. I don't remember if it was 28th of February or a little later in March. And they were being attacked by, I believe it is the root-boring nematodes. So what we did was we set up a separate control right next to it, got some new seeds, and did like a lasagna layer in the soil to get the soil to be more organic. And so it was 2 inches of leaves, an inch of sand, 2 inches of leaves, inch of sand. And then on the top layer and on the second layer, we did about an ounce of hull powder. This is black walnut hull powder. And we sprinkled it all on top. You can check at the end of this video, at the top right, there will be a link to the playlist that features the rest of the videos that are the backstory of our Yardlong bean stories. Now, the black walnut hull powder is supposed to have a chemical in it called Juglone, and that supposedly has 100% effective kill rate on the root-boring nematodes. So this should work for us right now. We shouldn't have a problem with the root-boring nematode at this particular location. Now, it is said too that if you have organic soil, that dissuades the root-boring nematode from wanting to exist in that particular location, as they're constantly having to fight with like beneficial nematodes and bacteria and even fungi for their space, because apparently the organics in the soil attract the beneficial bacteria, beneficial fungi, and beneficial nematodes, and then you end up supposedly not having a problem with the root knot nematode as a result. But we've got several control groups throughout our yard right now that are going to test that very concept. Anyhow, folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps our channel grow quite a bit. And stay tuned, as I'll keep you updated on the progress of these Yardlong beans. Have a good day.